Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to see a little bit about phrasal verbs for romantic relationships. So I hope you're ready. Let's get started. Today I chose 4 particular phrasal verbs. Hit on someone, ask someone out, hit it off with someone, and cheat on someone. Primeira coisa que precisa ser falada é que existe uma diferença entre hit someone e hit on someone. Hit someone não é um phrasal verb, mas ele precisa estar aqui porque parece muito com hit on someone. Então, queria estabelecer essa diferença. Let's watch.
I'm gonna go.
No, come on. Look, Ross, we have to get past this.
Give me the bag.
No, look, I don't know what else to do. I said I'm sorry. Now you should scream at me or curse me or hit me.
I'm not gonna hit you.
Why not? You'll feel better. I'll feel better. And you know you want to. I can see it in your eye.
No, I don't.
A little bit.
No.
A little bit.
No.
A little bit more.
Give me the bag.
No, hit me.
Give me the bag.
Hit me.
Joey, give me the bag.
Hit me.
Joe, I'm
Hit
not
me.
kidding.
Hit me, hit me, hit me. I'm sorry, it was a reflex.
Well, this really hurts.
I couldn't help it. When a fist comes at your face, you duck. Look.
Oh! What is the matter with you?
You were supposed to duck. Why didn't you duck?
What do we...
Okay, so here, what happened? Joey asked for it. Joey said, hit me, hit me, hit me, hit me, hit me. Ou seja, me bate. Então, hit someone is bater em alguém. Now we have hit on. What is hit on? To demonstrate romantic or sexual interest. Let's watch.
You okay?
Well, if you really want to know, I can't tell you this.
Maybe it's me. You can tell me anything.
Well, actually, you're the one person I can't tell this to, and the one person I want to the most.
What's going on?
I think it's just, that I haven't been with a guy in so long, and you know how sometimes you're looking for something and you just don't even see that it's right there in front of you, sipping coffee. Oh, no, have I said too much? No, just something to think about. I know I will.
Okay, so did you see Phoebe hitting on Chandler? Dando em cima do Chandler descaradamente, a Phoebe estava. So, dar em cima, flertar, paquerar e tal. Now, this phrasal verb is a different one. You use it when you want to invite someone on a date.
Oh, no.
Sorry.
Oh, no, go.
No,
Go.
really, I don't want it.
Split it?
Okay.
Okay. You probably didn't know this, but back in high school, I had a major crush on you.
I knew.
You did? Oh. I always figured you just thought I was Monica's geeky older brother.
I did.
Oh. Listen, do you think... And try not to let my intense vulnerability become any kind of a factor here. But do you think it would be okay if I asked you out sometime, maybe?
Yeah. Maybe.
Okay. Okay, maybe I will.
Good night.
Good night.
Então, what is the phrasal verb? Ask out. Invite someone on a date. Então, vocês percebem que o Ross pergunta assim, do you think it would be okay if I asked you out sometime, maybe? Você acha que seria legal se eu te chamasse para sair uma hora dessas? Né? E ela diz, yeah, maybe. He should have asked her out. Ele devia ter chamado ela para sair, mas ele preferiu esperar. And hit it off with someone, which means to have a great connection from the first moment you meet the person. Você já saiu com alguém e se deu super bem com aquela pessoa no primeiro momento? Desde o primeiro momento? Isso é hit it off. Não precisa ser só para romantic relationships, pode ser para friendship também. So, let's watch.
What time?
Oh, please. It was such a big class. You never even noticed me.
What? Of course I did. You sat next to Sleepy Sleeperson.
Who?
Oh, I had trouble remembering everyone's name, so I kind of came up with nicknames. Like the guy on the other side of you was Smelly Von Brownshirt.
Oh, yeah. So, did you have a nickname for me?
Oh, no.
Yes, you did. What was it?
It's Cutie McPretty.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Listen, I gotta tell you, I'm having a great time. You know how before you said it might be weird, the whole student-teacher thing? And to be frank, I thought it would be too, but it's not. I mean, it's not at all.
Dr. Geller!
Bert! You.
Ok, então olha só a situação do Ross. Saiu com a ex-aluna, se deu super bem e quase passa um aperto ali. Por isso que ele empurrou a menina. So, they really hit it off. Né? He hit it off with her. Ok? E nós temos o próximo, que é cheat on someone, which means to kiss or have sex with another person who is not your husband, not your wife, not your boyfriend, not your girlfriend. É o trair. So let's watch.
Rachel, come on, talk to me, please!
I can't even look at you right now.
What?
Nothing.
Rachel said everything was okay. What are they talking about?
Rachel,
Just get away
no,
from
it
me.
was a mistake. I made a mistake, okay?
A mistake? What were you trying to put it in? Her purse?
Where did he put it?
Ross, you had sex with another woman.
Oh my God.
Oh, God, I knew something had to be wrong because my fingernails did not grow at all yesterday.
Yeah, well, I guess they had a fight and he got drunk.
You guys knew about this and you didn't tell us?
He had sex and we get hit in our heads.
Ok. So, cheat on, trair. Você gostou do vídeo? Eu adicionei conteúdo para você? So, like, share and subscribe. Clica lá no like, compartilha, se inscreve no canal. See you next time. Bye bye.